Hey guys, what is up? Back in another video, and today we are going to be doing like this RC car that we got for Christmas, and it goes 30 miles per hour. So first I have to go like a little bit slow, and then when I get used to it, I can go faster. Try it off. And it's not that hard to ride. And this is electric. And it takes a while to charge. That was awesome. It's like a ramp when I go like this. Like the back bumper. It's like you see how the back bumper goes up a little bit?
Broly wants to chase it. I'm sorry, buddy. A couple more minutes. Okay, buddy. Hello. All right, Ben, wrap it up. We gotta wrap it up.
Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. What did we turn off first?
I don't know. I think the car. Hello. Hi.
Beautiful dog.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness.
He doesn't like to stay still, so it's only been 7 minutes. You want to say hello?
Yes, I would love to.
Oh, he's a nice boy.
Yeah, we have a dog too.
Is it the one right here? The
Yeah.
Labradoodle or whatever?
It's a standard.
Oh,
poodle.